Tornadoes. We're at the tennis building. And then we have our ladder, which is Brad Jones. That's our coach. Leads you to our courts. Yeah, this is our McCoy tennis complex, actually. Come hither. And now we warm up. Ah! I just got yelled at to shut up. This is Savannah signing out. Goodbye. Ooh, the top spin on that ball was crazy. I'm so sorry. My mom tells me I have the mouth of a trucker. Have you ever imagined you were in a Disney show and you had an audience to talk to? I didn't try to kill her on purpose. I swear to you. Makes sense or not? Ooh! Sorry, I didn't think that was going over the mat. I said that if you hit me sometime during this match, I'm taking you for Taco Bell after. Because that's all I take. Oh, well, I didn't take a W. Tennis.